could ask them. It's going to be about a 15-minute trip starting right now, going over 2 towers along our way. You'll hear me here and there with some facts that you may or may not care about. You may or may not listen. Doesn't really bother me one bit. We just left a base elevation of 6,559 feet. We're climbing about 4,000 feet to 10,378, not 2 miles above sea level. Like I said, name's John. Got any questions along the way, feel free to ask. Otherwise, feel free to enjoy the rest. Thank you. You're not free to roam by the cabin.
Which tower is the plane wreckage under?
It's not under a tower, it's just up towards the top in one of the canyons. I can point it out when we get there. Okay. It's going to be more visible like on this side and the back.
Swishahouse remix. I speak from the place they stuck my race, but revenge is the sweetest motherfucking taste. I speak from the place they stuck my race, but revenge is the sweetest motherfucking taste. Rossville, Texas, you stormed to my god, deep in Sanato. Screw Richie Valles, rolling through Dallas, Boritos and Corpus, Odessa, Laredo, the locals in all Texas made Mexicans, north of the border, land of the free, smoking weed with my gourd. Motherfuckers lay back in your Cadillac, let me jump in the shit like back to back. Stay real for life, road dog south, for the wreck shop for the hometown crowd. My alias is that go hard Mexican, blowing through your veins like medicine. Wanna be down, or the H-Town, real ballers fight for the rebound. B-Town, to motherfucking D-Town, creep around, everybody G'd out. Can't see how you can dog me out, make me out, take me out. Deep south, my hood got more slack than 88 cowboys riding on horseback. Top that, the Mexicans all that. Drag like a snake and attack like a bobcat.
Old ass niggas ain't nothing worse. They do it for the nurse, but I do it for the bobcat. Old ass niggas ain't nothing worse. They do it for the nurse, but I do it for the bobcat. Old ass niggas ain't nothing worse. They do it for the nurse, but I do it for the purse. And I'm still on a search. Sometime I go to church, 7 deuce, old school. might be the chotas. That young baby B, she don't fuck with police. And don't beat the dog shit out your nephew and niece. If they ever get to snitching, yelling, telling, or singing, I'ma call the whole squad and some heads gon' be ringing. Dope, housed out, fuck a setup and a weirdo. It's real talk, real breath, make it clear.
Blaze up a blunt as I'm tell you all about her. Killer out the hiller, crawl like caterpillar. Pour full up in my grape sarsaparilla. This for my gangs, 40-45 stainless. Throw your set up, let me see your sign language. Tell her crack rock, still a laptop. Jack for a key and sell that bitch for half off. Jack for a key and sell that bitch for half off. Jack for a key and sell that bitch for half off. Rolling with my comrades, buddy, and we all blast. Everybody bought lax, everybody got stacks. Some of us puff black, some Newport. Tap, too short, even chop New York. If it ain't screwed up, I don't wanna hear it. Lack on pancake while I'm pouring up the syrup. Independent Hill Wood representer. Home of the rock inside a broken antenna.
I throw my shit round, had to help some down. Anybody place about it, my lady ass out. Call me from the north side, and I'm all about mine. Money, paper, chasing, stack it up, I gotta count mine.
There's a big boulder up there, perched up like a cannon, pointed towards the top of the mountain. Creatively, they named it Cannon Rock, and it's about to stay inside the spot. I'm gonna nerd out with a couple more rock references. Over on that side again, don't get too digital, spin around too much. Big flat rock stood up on its side right there, about eye level with us now. Got the imagination, you may see the thin mountain nose. They call it Fish Rock, I call it Dory Rock. From the base, they say it's about 3 stories tall. Like I said, I did not measure personally.
Have you measured anything personally?
Catholicism is a prison. We been without religion where I'm living. We been a victim. See, we ain't just suspects here. We live in proof that it ain't been no justice here.
The Sandia right there, that big, right there by itself.
Alright, slowing down now while we approach tower number 2. Gonna be another little swing and sway over it. If you thought tower 2 was the top, you were mistaken. It's not even halfway. If you're unsure, if you're afraid to fight the button on start.
Came to wreck it high. Look up in the skies, it a bird or a plane? Now Superman's arrived here to save the damn day. Flyer than a pelican, leaning off medicine. Johnny
Get to the top of that. It looks like a big stack of rocks to the right side of that canyon. That's actually called Totem Pole Rock. I've seen people sitting on top of it. From the base over there, the base from the bottom of the canyon, that's about 7 stories up.
Wow.
Sightings lately now that the weather's starting to get nicer. In the mountain we've got deer, brown bear, black bear, bobcat, mountain lion, coyotes, foxes. There's over 200 species of birds in the mountain, notably the golden eagle. See a lot of red-tailed hawks flying around though.
That's when we finish, man, it's a dirty game, but yet I shine so clean. Nigga, whatever you need in a 409, holla at me. Whether I'm hustling on the side or I'm dropping these verses, I got a service for you hoes. Just watch me disperse it and I be hurting them when I pull up in a big body. They be following me, stalking like the paparazzi. So fuck a hater, they just mad, they can't shine like me. I got the 15, 10-inch recline on screen. So fuck a hater, they just mad, they can't shine like me. I got the 15s, 10-inch recline, don't sprint. So fuck a hater, they just mad, they can't shine like me. I got the 15s, 10-inch recline, don't spreeze. And I'm a fine dime piece, I be sharp as a crease. Quick to get it poppin', like water in hot grease. And it ain't nothing new, it's just the same old shit. The day, the dollar, another case to catch. Throw your hood up, bump on my cheese, spread grease and turn up your dead, do high, click, can't
Philly to South Park, met him in Hillwood. Crazy weight, 88, H-Town, we still hood. Remember me in the hustle town? I let the merry-go-round put the hustle down. If you's a Jane user, throw your hands in the air on this track. SPM is the producer. Red the law standing on the roof. Dropping flows in the booth and drop the chop on the coupe. Ain't no stopping the loop. My team making currency. Screaming dope house out in Germany. Rashid, #1 soldado, pumping on the avocado with my foot up on the throttle and the bottle of the Gerber, cause I swerve in the Lolo. Solo, full show, homies getting modo. Sleeping is for dreamers on the block like block. Throw your hood up, let it go.
Cadillac driver, up and down the slab.
Everyone looks like he's terrified. Funny when the tram is going down to look up at everybody that's going up.
We loading clips, otherwise we hold his hittins, kickers, pippers, rolling with. So we dip, stop, and we slide to them screws. Pistol on the waistline, money in the suitcase, drop it in a cool place. Everything's grabbing. This is for the streets, cause my hood is my family.
Throw your hood up, bump on my cheese, spread grease and turn up your dead, do high, click, can't
You can call me Mr. Break a Brick. Take a trip, tape 1,000 grams to the bumper, man, and make it flip. I'm an interstate veteran, pedal to the max. I see the federal for my stash, my Beretta on my lap. Summer street hustler, 20,000 miles just this summer. Ever since the first day of June, I've been on a come up. Got that boomerang blow. Once I throw it in a pot, it's coming right back. I promise, dog, I'm blowing up the spot. Listen, this home to me, I got $1 million corner. Feds tap my house phone and it's still out of order. I'm the son of a preacher man. Mama knows I'm thugging it. I should have been a chef the way I cook, crack, grab your oven mitt. Teachers taught us just say no. I had to hustle though. Either that or stay broke. Didn't wanna struggle, so bought half an 8-ball. Hit the block running, thought the road was mine. Till I saw the cops coming and his homie died. And the cops called it drug related. I was standing right there when his mother fainted, and I fell dry, cause I know I got his shoes fake. I grab my Nina and make that bitch lose weight. Since 88 with a nick in my 2 socks. I been that G since you was trying to do the moonwalk. I'm from a place that they call Honduras. Nothing fake about my life, it says my car insurance. Bulletproof vest, my head for stress. Nothing positive about me except my piece test.
Right now, coming up under us is Domingo Baca Canyon, also commonly referred to as DWA Canyon. That's because in 1955, the DWA 404 explained like miles to explore the bay, crashing into the mountainside. Bigger pieces of wreckage are still down in the canyon right under it.
Oh yeah.
Up in wow. Trees up there. Lots of scrap metal. Sorry. There's a rock cabin up at the top there at the highest point you can see. Little towards our tail end. It's at an uphill monument. It's built in 1936, shelter for hikers. Funny fact, not funny, interesting fact. It's been rebuilt 3 times. First time was built out of wood, burned down. Second time was built out of wood again. Wind blew it off the mountain. Third time, just like the 3 Little Pigs, they learned their lesson. They built it out of stone. If you want to fact check these bricks, use bricks, not stone. Same concept. You can hike there if anyone's interested. 3-mile round trip, 1.5 miles each way. I don't necessarily recommend going off too far though. Apparently these winds are picking up. High wind could shut us down. Wouldn't venture off too far because we'll start getting people off the mountain right away if looks like it's going to happen.
We can change it any turn we want. It's only a choice between fear and love. The world is like a ride. You think it's real, it's just a ride. We can change it any turn we want. It's only a choice between fear and love. Life goes up and down, round and round. It has thrills and chills, and it's very brightly colored. Up and down, round and round, and it's very loud. Don't worry, don't be afraid, it's just a ride. And we can change it any turn we want. It's only a choice between fear and love.
Why are we here? I think we're part of a greater wisdom than we will ever understand. A higher order. Call it what you want. Know what I call it? The big electron. The big electron. The big electron. It doesn't punish, doesn't reward. It doesn't judge at all. It just is, and so are we. For a little while. The ride goes up and down, round and round. It has thrills and chills, and it's very brightly colored. Up and down, round and round, and it's very loud. Don't worry, don't be afraid, it's just a ride. And we can change it any turn we want. It's only a choice between fear and love. The big electron. The big electron. It doesn't punish, doesn't reward. It doesn't judge at all. It just is, and so are we. For a little while.
We need some rock music to save children's music. And there's no reason like bands like Metallica and these guys should not be knocking. They all got kids. Play some kid stuff. They'd be amazing. Get around, yeah. Pretty boys and girls, yeah, yeah, ooh, yeah. Hit a farmer. Had a dog. Yeah, had a dog, yeah. Bingo was his name.